Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds SKULLCANDY Jib True with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth and other devices, press this line or click Enter. Now, at the right top, click Add Device, and if you have Windows 10, you will have this button at the top, so press on it. And in this window we need to select Bluetooth, and after that we can open the charging case and remove these earbuds from the case. Now, at the back side, we have SKULLCANDY logo, and this one is touch controls. You need to press and hold simultaneously the both of them until the LED lights start blinking blue and red. So press and hold. Now it's blinking, so we just enter to pairing mode and we should see them at the device list. Press on them and then click Done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!